In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off all notifications in Meta Business Suite. If you manage Facebook or Instagram pages for a business, you probably know how overwhelming constant notifications can be. Meta Business Suite brings everything into one place, which is useful, but it can also mean your phone and desktop are pinging all day long. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly silence those notifications while still keeping control over both your Facebook and Instagram settings. First, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your business assets. Once it loads, you'll see a navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you can access posts, inbox, ads, and other tools. In that left-hand column, look for the option labeled Notifications and click on it. This page shows all the recent activity across your connected Facebook page and Instagram account, like comments, likes, and messages. This is also where you'll find the settings that control which alerts you actually receive. Now, inside the notification section, look toward the top right corner of this area for a small gear icon. This gear represents your notification settings. Click on that gear icon to open the detailed controls. Give the page a second to load and you'll see a panel with different categories and toggles. Here, Meta groups your notifications into types such as comments, suggestions, announcements, and other communications. Each category has a switch or toggle next to it. To turn off a type of notification, simply click its toggle so it moves to the off position. Take a moment to scroll through and review each option and switch off anything you don't want to be notified about. You can always come back later and turn specific ones back on if you change your mind. At the top of the settings area, you'll notice that you can switch between Instagram and Facebook. Click on Instagram to move over to the Instagram notification settings. You'll see similar toggles for Instagram specific activity. Again, go through these and turn off all the notifications you no longer want. When you're done with Instagram, click on Facebook to switch back to your Facebook notification settings. Double check that all the relevant toggles are turned off here as well. It's a good idea to slowly scroll through the whole list once more, on both Facebook and Instagram, to ensure that every toggle you want disabled is indeed off. Once you've done that, your Meta Business Suite should be much quieter, letting you check in on your own schedule instead of reacting to constant alerts.